Today I'm going to shoot with my Canon 5D Mark II again. I think I did it last week as well. I just love this full frame. Just something different. I've been shooting with Olympus for 4 years. Micro Four Thirds. I thought, yeah, I'll give this full frame a real go for its money. 2008 technology is good enough for me. Because I've been watching all these Canon R5 Mark II and the Canon R1 and all this full frame, you know, U-Butte, you know, flagship cameras and all that, and it's just too much. I don't need any of that stuff. I mean, mirrorless, yeah, of course. Gary, let's keep walking. But yeah, I just need a good sensor that takes good pictures, and the Canon 5D Mark II from 2008 pretty much does that. So anyway, let's go down this way. So this is the Female Factory or something, Cumberland Hospital, Public Health, Mental Asylum, I think. Mental Health Science. Jerry, Mental Health Science, the Female Factory, 1818. Jerry, what are you sniffing? Yeah, that's a good sniff. I like the architecture around here, very old. Gary, where are we? I think that clock tower there might be the go to start things off. What are you sniffing? You got a tippy tail. Sniffing. With the DSLR, I don't have the luxury of seeing what the hell it looks like, so I'm chimping a lot, but the old DSLR. Hey Jerry, bit of a learning curve. You just get so used to mirrorless, it's so easier, so much easier. Jerry, where are you going, Jerry? Huh? Yes, you have a little free rein. What about there? That looks alright. Oh wow, look at this. It's like croquet, is it? Jerry, look how beautiful the grass is. That's very majestic, that. I like that. I need a big sweeping. It'd be good to have Jerry sit on the chair. If you go this way, I wonder if I get down low with the clock tower maybe. Jerry, wait, sit, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. playing, Jerry. You're always playing. Go. You're so funny. I like the shadows there, Jerry. Hey, Jerry, do you like the shadows? You like the shadow of the palm tree there? I thought that was a good shot. It's quite hard to find a good composition when there's so much to choose from, and without trying to be touristy, cliche, I always revert back to fill the frame. The old fill the frame. This keeps reminding me of some sort of Wes Anderson, what's that movie, the Budapest Hotel, where I just want to do front on, like just front on shots. I'll tell you what, I'll be testing myself in post, trying to get those keystones fixed up. Hey Jerry, the old keystone. I think where I was, Jerry, back here. Let's get it from Jerry's perspective. G'day, welcome back to the channel. So here I am at Jerry, trying to be funny. You're trying to be funny, Jerry. Come on a Sunday, it's like it's abandoned. I like spots where they're abandoned. It looks like it's abandoned, but it's not, it's just closed. But yeah, places like this when there's nobody here, it kind of feels like you're that tree makes a perfect natural frame. I like that one. I hope it turned out.